It's a Moen. The Moen. Hot time with it. Says it turns by itself. I'll have to replace the cartridge. Shut the water off. It should be over here. I guess that's it. We'll see if that works. That should be. Oh, that lead pipe coming in. Yeehaw. I'll see if we can. That's the old style Moen. I'll probably clean the handle while it's off. She's complaining about it being crusty. Oh. That's not the right handle for this thing, I don't think. Somebody's got something flipping washer in there that's not right. That's not the right handle for it. That's not a Moen handle. That's not the right handle. See it? That's a Delta handle. Probably gonna have to replace it then. I don't have one of them handles like that. Hello? Hello? That's not even the right handle for that thing. Somebody put that handle on that valve. That handle's off a Delta faucet.
Oh, okay.
And it's kind of makeshift. I don't know if I can even, I guess I can get them handles. That's not the right handle. Oh, well, yeah, I'll come show you what I mean. I don't know if that's that doesn't look like that definitely looks like a Moen.
Okay,
But the problem is, see this had a washer. See that's a different had this washer and then this on there. So somebody put that on there. So it's not even really grabbing it properly. Because it's just floating in the wind there. So this thing will be spinning and it's not working right. Unless if this was just loose. I mean, it's not right. I gotta get a right handle for that.
Okay.
I should be able to get a Moen handle. See. It's definitely a Moen. Does it say Moen on it or not? No, it doesn't, does it? You can tell it's a Moen because the way this is.
Okay. So we just, was that a quick run to the Home Depot or the Lowe's?
No, I can't get it at Home Depot. Lowe's gonna have to be at a supply house.
Oh, okay.
Unless we change the whole valve. But I'll see if I can get a handle for it.
Okay.
I don't think I don't save certain things. I don't save. I don't think I have anything like that. Well, I might have something like that in my my stash of my scrap pile. It's kind of an odd thing. I thought it looked like a Delta handle. Very odd.
As long as it decently works until you can get something to replace it, that's fine.
Yeah, I'll see if maybe this was when I tighten this, maybe this for now. I mean, to get you by.
Yeah, it'll get us by.
Until I can get a handle for it. Maybe it was just getting loose on there or something.
Yeah, but you know what? Let's replace it anyway, Steve, because that handle is shot to blazes.
Huh?
Old. That handle is older than Doom.
See, it doesn't have a stop on it. That's the problem.
Okay, gotcha.
So the other one would turn so much and it would stop. And the other one would turn so much and it would stop. But this one has no stop. See how it's going all the way around? That's why it's got the wrong handle on it.
Like I said, as long as it gets us through a day or two until you can get another one, that's fine.
Yeah, I'll work on getting another one. Either that or we're going to have to change the whole valve. But
Okay, if we have, whatever we have to do. I need a working shower.
Alright guys, I do have a Moen handle that was in the truck. I think that's going to be what we need. And it's got the screw and all. So you get a couple of screws loose, mama. So let's try that in there. This one's just spinning. It's not even stopping. It's not even the right handle. That's what the problem is. See, some of the shit you find out there is just... So I'm thinking this. I think it might go this way though. Is it gonna... I don't know why that's down. Now usually that goes up. It's almost like they got it upside down. Where is it? Yeah, it is. Let's turn the water on and see what happens. It should be fine. This is gonna have to go down though. I mean, better, that's all I got. Good enough for this neighborhood. Shower head on. I took the apparatus off. We'll see if it works. That's hot. That's cold. Wow, that sucker is hot. Wow. The water's coming out of there like steam. Holy shit. I wonder what the water heater's set at. It seems pretty hot. I'll leave it right there. It says when you had it on hot, the thing would go by itself. Okay, now. Maybe once you do a shower, it moves. Alright, put the cap on it. It's good enough for this neighborhood. It's cold. And that's hot. The Moen.